Qualcomm is anticipated to unveil the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor later this year, potentially in October, with expectations that it will power the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was recently released, the new chip is expected to feature Qualcomm's own CPU cores, replacing ARM Holdings' Cortex cores. Reports suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, codenamed Tongzi, will not include low-power efficiency cores. Instead, it is expected to have 2 high-performance Phoenix CPU cores and 6 medium-performance Phoenix CPU cores. Leaks from Digital Chat Station on Weibo indicate that the mobile chip could achieve 4 GHz speeds, with speculation that the 2 big high-performance Phoenix cores will likely run at this clock speed. Comparatively, the rumored 4 GHz clock speed surpasses the peak 3.3 GHz of the Cortex X4 Prime CPU core. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is also expected to feature the Adreno 830 GPU, be built by TSMC using its 3M process node, and purportedly achieve an impressive multi-core Geekbench 6 score of 10,628, compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's 7249 multi-core score. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 marks a configuration shift from its predecessor, adding a second high-performance core and replacing the 2 low-power cores with 2 additional medium-performance cores. Looking ahead, there is speculation that Qualcomm may split production of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 between TSMC and Samsung Foundry in the coming year. In 2022, Samsung Foundry's yield issues led Qualcomm to shift production of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to TSMC, resulting in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Gen 3, and likely the Gen 4 have been produced by TSMC. With improved yields at Samsung Foundry, it remains to be seen if Qualcomm will share production of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 between the two foundries or continue its exclusive partnership with TSMC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next update. Peace out.